Applying Vaseline in the sink changes its traditional use. In addition, you will learn why you should put toilet paper in the refrigerator and how to restore old knives and shavers. First, clean a rag with water and dry it. Then, apply Vaseline around the tap and spread it with paper towel. After a few minutes, the tap will be resistant to water and will look clean. This trick avoids corrosion. Repeat on all taps in your house. For the second trick, you will need a roll of baking paper and baking soda. Mix 100 milliliters of water with 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a container. Soak the toilet paper in this mixture and place it in the refrigerator to eliminate bad smells and keep it fresh. Finally, to sharpen knives and restore shavers, use aluminum foil. Divide a piece into 2 parts and form balls. Rub one of the balls on the blade to eliminate corrosion and sharpen it. With the other ball, rub the blades of the old shavers for a minute. Soak them in hot water for 5 minutes and cut them again as new. Subscribe for more tips.